Go.
Damn it. Oh, I got this.
Go. Hi, puppy. Getting in there.
I'm like Mr. Unger over here.
Are you surprised?
Yes, I am. Touch it!
What is that one? I didn't see it. Oh. Let's get it. You see my Sluggy. I just put like a bunch of random stuff in there, Anna. Just a bunch of random stuff.
Shit. When's the last time you wore glitter?
When I was 12. Never again.
I'm just all your stuff.
all my clothes on. I don't. Ooh, ah.
Perry!
Perry. Yep. Yep. The yellow one's my favorite.
I'm not sure of fun size.
Yep, that's you, Anna. That's
of course.
You. I never wore that shirt ever.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know what it is. It says 7 for some reason. Maybe the person who made it liked the number 7. We don't know.
No.
Yes.
Dr. Pepper!
You get so excited. Look at this pile forming.
Peace.
Peace.
Peace, love, and Mrs. Stevens.
I put like this really ugly dress in there.
Is this one?
Well, it's not that ugly.
I'll wear it to school.
Yeah, we're like green leggings. I meant brown leggings, and I meant.
I'll wear it to school.
Limited 2. Wait. Turn it towards me. I want to zoom in on the sticker. Limited 2.
Oh god.
That's when it wasn't Justice.
Yeah, now it's Justice because they bought Limited 2 because Limited 2 sucks now. Oh, pink. Like my room.
Your room's pink?
But it's like lighter than this pink.
Oh.
I got when I was 7, okay?
I was 7.
Aeropostale. Right? Yeah.
Yeah, we both like stare at each other.
That first name was Airy. I'm kind of.
Somebody's been peeing on the carpet
kind
down
of a big
there.
deal.
That's you, Anna.
Oh yeah. But I get from you, so.
Obviously. Oh, that won't even fit you.
What?
Yes, it will. If you like unbutton, it'll fit you.
Yeah.
And then another sweatshirt. Look at that pile. That's a large pile of things. Hey. There's like a bear on it. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know what you like. I don't know.
I love it, Mommy.
Give me a hug. Now you have to get me with my Snuggie. Alright. Look at this shit.
Look at me.
Now don't turn around.
Okay, it doesn't stay on.
I don't think it has like a zipper.
I just put one in a plastic bag. You should have one here.
That's you, Anna.